Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing very well today. Valentine's Day is right around the corner and it's the perfect time to create a killer out. That is why this video I collaborate with the brands Cosy Island and I wanna introduce you their shoes. That is why I going to create the Valentine's outfit with the feminine and at the same time comfortable shoes. I will show you the box that is very nice logo, writing down comfort without compromise. It's very nice package wrapping. They have two dusty bags. I have chosen for creating the Valentine's outfit ankle boots in the classic black color. They have the nice heel, very comfortable. I measure these heels is 7.5 centimeters. You will see that they have very nice even logo here. Very nice stretchy fabric. I will try them with this outfit like red dress that I'm wearing now and this red blazer. The bottom looks anti-slippery. The sizing is, I would go up to half of the size that what you're wearing.
Shiny lights and purple sky, everything's so bright. 기다려왔어 지금이야. Turn off your phone and off your mind. Look at you so bright. 멈출 수 없어 지금이야. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Come on up, enjoy your ride. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Just be ready to enjoy your night. Oh, baby, it's right now. You don't wanna waste this time. 어디든지 가줄게. Yeah, I'm on a road, can't stop. 이루어질 거야. I'll take you to the moon. Left and right, you know you feel so right. 다른 시선 따윈 don't care. 노깃해져라 소리쳐, you know you feel so right. 이제부터가
The next one I have chosen is Cozy insole, make the shoes better, something that we can put inside. And again, nice wrapping, information. Hope you enjoy our product and they attach the discount code for 20% off. And it's nice. Dusty bag, same. I have chosen the burgundy color. I don't have in my collection shoes the burgundy color. It's the same. Nice heel. You will see it looks like it's plastic. It's wear in the two different styles. It's like strap attached. To be honest, I want style with this strap that I will take off. I prefer without strap because for me doesn't work. With this removable strap that is you can have like in the one shoes like two styles, with the strap and without strap, but I prefer without strap. Texture rubber sole slip resistance and comfortable arch support. Very nice logo inside, nice color. I went up to half of the size up. I realized when it's pointy shape, if we wanna have like comfortable shoes, better to just go half of the size up. This is the second part that I will style for the killer outfit for our Valentine's Day.
자기야, oh, I'll take you to the moon. Come on up, enjoy your ride. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Just be ready to enjoy your night. Oh, baby, it's right now. You don't wanna waste this time. 어디든지 가줄게. Yeah, I'm on a road, can't stop.
the last one that I have chosen. The company give me the option that I can choose by myself which one I love it. That's why the third one, you see the package is still very nice, beautiful. Mary Jane style with the T-strap that I have chosen because it's much more in the trends shoes for 2025. The Mary Janes with the T-strap. It's not exactly maybe white, like milky white, only it's like I would call off-white color. More than 1 centimeter small heel, plastic. With this one I went to my normal size, 7.5. I wanna style for much more daily meeting with your friend during this Valentine Day, but not all. I wanna wear them during the spring coming. Looks like at least they are very comfortable, and I know that they have very nice padded here. It's much more round shape. The first part that I will tie.
She's the type who will get what she wants, doesn't hide. Always out in the sun, and it kills me slowly. Seeing her pass me by in the city of dreams. Wish that I had that power in me, but I'm just too madly insecure. All the time that I'm wasting, always looking at strangers, thinking there's so much. She's the
Let's
type.
talk about the brand. Why they designed the shoes. This brand is quite new. They started from 2023. The Cosy Island mission to create their shoes was combine both comfort and be much more stylish without any compromise. Some of the shoes, not the one that I have chosen apart from the ballets, that is the styling for much more wider fit. What is the most important that I haven't seen in other branches, that they have the arch support, especially with the heels. They have arch support insoles, can reduce foot fatigue. If you are interested in these shoes, you can use my discount code that I will put below in my description box. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.